Hey, Justin with Unique Componentry. Today we're going to go over everything that was included in your shipment for your Unique Componentry battery pack for Starlink Mini and how to install it. When you open up your box, you're going to find two instruction sheets. One is electrical notes and mounting notes. One is the QR code for this video. And then you're going to find a bubble wrapped mount for this package like this. We're going to go ahead and open this up and show you how to install it. All right, first thing you're going to do is remove the rubber band. Set that aside. And you're going to have a bubble wrapped little envelope. Open that up. Inside there you'll find an edge clamp and two magnets. You can set those aside. Then you're going to have a handle. Pull that off, set that aside. Take a pair of scissors or knife. Cut the saran wrap off the bottom of this. With that, two shipping caps are going to fall off the buttons. Those can be discarded along with this trash. Then you have your battery mount. So first thing you're going to do is get your Starlink Mini, and you're going to remove the kickstand if you have it. This is the factory kickstand that comes with it. You're going to insert your finger here, remove that, set that aside. You won't be needing that. Next, you're going to lay the dish on flat down on a table. Take your Starlink Mini battery pack, lay it on the back of the dish, line up the power input port and the seal, and you're going to push it into the back of the dish, and it should seat into the dish. Then you flip the beaver tail down, and you're going to take your edge clamp, you're going to hook it over the studs, put it down against the dish. Take two thumbs, press that onto the dish like that. And you're going to take your handle. The handle has two different sides, so you need the side that has the raised portion up. You're going to put that on like so. If you don't want to have the carrying handle exposed for use, you can also put the carrying handle on this way to stow it. Today we're going to put it on as a carrying handle. Then you take your magnet feet, start them on your threads, and tighten them down. They just need to be snug. And that's a fully installed mount. Next, we're going to go over some usage of your Starlink Mini battery pack. The red button is your main power, noted here. When you press that button, a blue light will come on in the corner of your Starlink Mini. It'll typically come on and then go off and then come back on. And now the dish is booting. The black button here is for your battery estimation gauge. This gauge is used as reference only and should be checked for an estimated battery level when your dish is powered off and not charging for the most accurate reading. Up next, we have the battery charging port. This plug, dust plug, and water plug should be inserted in the port whenever it's not in use to protect the inside of your dish. Now we're going to go over some charging options for your Starlink Mini battery pack. This is the factory cord that came with your Starlink Mini. It can be plugged into the 110 wall receptacle, and then this plugged in to the dish, weather tight and sealed. Up next, we have our optional USB-C PD100 charger for cigarette lighter. It can also charge in here. And then we have our optional direct 12-volt car charger. Can also charge in here. Now we're going to show you how to remove the battery pack from your Starlink Mini. You're going to unscrew the magnet feet by turning them counterclockwise. Set them aside. Lift the handle off. Turn the dish up. Take the edge clamp. Move it out. Take your thumbs. Push it off the edge. Take that off. Set it aside. Then you're going to take your hands and slide the battery pack out. Now your dish is back to unmodified Starlink Mini. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, refer back to your instruction sheets that were included with your Unique Componentry battery pack, or feel free to reach out to us via email at info@uniquecomponentry.com.